Say, I believe in me. Say, I believe in me. Yes, because if I don't believe in me, I don't go stand in front of you guys all swagged up. Say, swag. Swag. Correct. Hey, and your daddy ever couldn't go. I am the chosen child. I was all dance here, but you see how it. Never give a dance here, but see time for half of my life to be a police and say. Give me one budget. Raise me from here to the comfort and tell me what to say, something to impress me. Slowing down on the money on the baby. Spending time trying to momentum. So I feel like I take it to the right place. Can't don't stop when you stop it right now. You can't test me how I'll be easy. I'll be who said, he said, she said. When you touch it, I need to feel it. I'll be like, oh, what is on the spirit? When the boss tell me after me, oh. This money is supposed to me, oh. Make a really less, make a free money, oh. See me cash out again, give me the soul. My cash out pays me, oh. Bobby, who won't even touch the Illuminate your Filipinos, Lumen. Present for life. Present for life. Black Hole is not leaving now, but we want to hear a few words from one of the most brilliant industrialists in Africa today. He's a Present. He's the global president of Present. My dear brother, I'm a Present too, and I'm happy to say the man I'm about to introduce is also the chairman and founder of the special group of companies. Please welcome the one, the only, Dr. Ernest Oforisapa.
Counterfeiting wise, one of this in the talking points. Tell me to make some noise. In the shoes I'm growing, some elastic. Start raising boy, I feel what's up. Everybody got something to say, suggestions to make. I know nobody wanna practice. None of the things they say, I'm preach, I mean, it's easy that way. That's me cause I'm hot to say. Years ago, I'm showing the best, cause I gave my love and enough respect. When that boy is a mess. Gotta get up and talking teams, talking beans, talking on me. When I can't work for the express. March on you and stand the stress. Tell me about to keep that first. All we do is splendid. Not a day in my life I was begging. Used to be like you, don't call me. After the other children and silent. The one that piece and the talking points. In the streets I'm blowing, so I lost emotion, boy. Stand up raising, boy. One of the boys, count of eating boys. The one that piece and the talking points. Telling me to make some noise, take some noise. Talk is sweet and sweet and it's cheaper. Got to be a believer. I'm inside of me, my beat. Watch the rest you will teacher. In the time I get you, bring them go and do the same. Each time you was you can teach my hand. Behind the bus, brother, girls. All you say, I heard. Shit, somebody find that boy in there now. Right now. Don't know why I'm not a fool now. You know, here's my nation. If you claim it, I save yourself. I need to do so. Yes, I can feel it. When times to me, I tell me love. How can you get what's the matter who you vex? Say we up and on the need improvements. Conversations back in the days, yes, who is next? Had my index on my lips first. Yeah, cause my sister who cares? If I was sitting with her watching like a Judas. Zero was just like you having where's the cool girl? Where's the cool girl, the cool brother? The cool brother. Don't shine me now, you don't get up. I'm trying to share, stop waiting for you. Yeah, same time I see the viewers. Cause the prayer God is all we can now. Mr. Peace, I dropped in, let me take a tour. Screaming out shit. They know me, keep my hopes. Don't you look as a ghost in now. Mr. Peace, I dropped in, let me take a tour. Screaming out shit. All you know how we go. In the city where some love for those times. I'm gonna see this film up on the television. Cause our reason is to keep up with the charm. After moving far we go. This time I see the two of us and I never know. This time I need two of us and I'm going to see jobs. Yeah, that means I'm getting bitter and bitter. Sit, you know. Mr. Peace, I charge. Let me take a tour. Screaming not shirt. You got it. We know me, I keep my balls in. Double up as a rose. Mr. Peace, I trapped. Let me take a tour. Screaming out shit. This is why I'm just